So I love the front entrance of this home. I love that you can walk right in through the hardwood floors so you don't have to worry about messing anything up. And the family room is just so cozy. Everything, you could just move right in. Another thing that I love about this home is the dining room. Number one, the decor is so cute in here, but I love all the natural hardwood. So I love how central this location is. I know you were mentioning to me how close we are to what?
Yeah, we're right in between 90 and 480, like
right there.
Right
I know. Shopping, we can go shopping. Crocker Park is nearby as well. Even though we're in North Olmsted, you've got all of the benefits of being close to Westlake.
6 minutes away. We're down the
Minutes
street.
away. So nice. So you can certainly just move right into this home and it would make an amazing starter home for someone. I love again that it's got the 2 bedrooms on the first floor, another third on the upstairs, and 1.5 bathrooms. But another great feature about this home is it actually has a tenant currently living in it, and they're on months a month. So they're already making money if you are looking for your next investment opportunity. Right now they're currently paying $1,100 a month plus utilities. The average rents in the area are higher, but you have a turnkey home that already has a wonderful paying tenant. So if you want to keep them, they would love to stay, or if you want to eventually turn it into another investment opportunity, there's that as well in the future. Well, thank you so much for taking a tour, and I look forward to seeing you again. If you have any buyers, bring them through.
Okay,
All
will
right.
do. Thanks so much, girl.
Bye.
Bye.